If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you've probably heard about Roth IRAs as a way to save for the future. But when it comes to withdrawing your funds, many people don't realize that there are specific rules to avoid penalties. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Roth IRA to avoid those penalties when withdrawing funds, so you can access your money without worrying about getting hit with costly fees. Stay tuned, because I'm going to reveal some strategies that you can use right now to make sure you're making the most out of your retirement savings. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to check the first link in the description for a free guide that explains why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings. It's the kind of resource you'll want to have in your toolkit. Now let's get into how you can avoid penalties with your Roth IRA withdrawals. First things first, the key benefit of a Roth IRA is that your withdrawals are tax-free if you meet certain conditions. The Roth IRA is a great option for retirees because it allows for tax-free growth, which can make a huge difference when you're withdrawing funds to cover living expenses. However, if you withdraw your contributions or earnings too early, you can face a 10% penalty and possibly income tax, especially on your earnings. So how do you avoid that? Well, to withdraw earnings penalty-free, your Roth IRA needs to be open for at least 5 years, and you also have to be at least 59.5 years old. This might seem like a long wait, but this is how you avoid that 10% penalty. If you meet both of those requirements, then you can withdraw your earnings tax-free and penalty-free. But here's where a lot of people get confused. If you're younger than 59.5 or haven't had your Roth IRA for 5 years yet, there's still a way to avoid penalties, but only on your contributions. Since you've already paid taxes on your contributions, you can withdraw the amount you've put in without penalty at any time. The tricky part comes when you start withdrawing earnings, and that's where the 5-year rule and the age rule come into play. Now, let's say you really need to access some funds before reaching 59.5 or before hitting that 5-year mark. One way to avoid penalties is by using your Roth IRA for specific qualified reasons, such as buying your first home, up to $10,000, paying for qualified education expenses, or covering certain medical expenses. These exceptions can allow you to avoid penalties and tax, but again, you still need to be strategic. If you're looking for a way to really maximize your retirement savings and make sure you're staying ahead of inflation and market volatility, I have to mention gold IRAs. While Roth IRAs are an excellent tool for retirement, gold IRAs offer a level of protection that no other retirement account can match. In times of market uncertainty, gold has historically performed well, acting as a hedge against inflation and financial downturns. Gold IRAs are an excellent option for high net worth retirees who want to protect their wealth and secure their future. Speaking of gold IRAs, if you're looking for a way to diversify your retirement savings and get better protection against market volatility, I encourage you to check out the free guide I've linked below. This guide explains why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs and how you can get started with a free consultation if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have $5 million in savings. It's perfect for American retirees who want to safeguard their wealth, and I highly recommend taking a look. In conclusion, while Roth IRAs offer a great opportunity to avoid taxes and penalties, it's crucial to understand the rules around withdrawals. By following the 5-year and age requirements, you can access your funds without penalties. And if you're planning for the long term, consider adding a gold IRA to your strategy to protect your wealth and ensure that your retirement savings keep up with inflation. Make sure to check out the free guide linked below, especially if you're ready to protect your wealth and secure your financial future. The free consultation is a great opportunity for those with $100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5 MEM plus in savings. Take advantage of this resource and make sure your retirement is protected from unexpected market shifts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.